Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can match cut with audio beat in Filmora. Okay, let's get started. Here I have imported some pictures to my project and I have imported audio as well. And I'm going to match cut with the audio beat. So first of all we need to do is adding the beat mark to our audio. I'm going to select my audio here and we can click on this icon to add marker to the audio. But unfortunately, there is no automatic beat mark, so we need to add the beat mark manually. Okay, let's just play the song and add the beat mark. I'm going to play it. Okay, I think that's enough, and then I'm going to sing the pictures with the beat mark. Okay, we can sing like this. You can match your card with the beat mark. Okay guys, and I'm going to show you the final result. Okay, and if you're not satisfied with the result, you can keep adjusting. Okay guys, and that's all the way to match cut with audio beat in Filmora 14. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.